Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video we're going to do unboxing of Huawei Y5 2019 modern amber brown. So let us start unboxing. I'm putting the phone aside and let us see what is inside the box. So the inside the box there's a manual to help you or to guide you on how to use the phone. There is a charger, a normal charger, a normal charger, and a USB cable. So the box has the charger and the USB cable.
This time nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line.
So I'm peeling the paper off from the phone and let's switch the phone on. This phone has the color amber brown. I picked amber brown, but it comes in black and this brown. So you can, if you don't want this color, you can pick the black one. So here I'm just checking on the settings and I want to see what the phone has in the setting, and then I will just click about phone. Then you can see it has a ROM of 32 GB, a RAM of 2 GB, and it's model AMN LX9. So, and a camera of 13 megapixel. So it's a very nice phone at an affordable price. So guys, if you want this type of a phone, I bought it at around 10,500 and I guess it was on offer. The phone is supposed to be around 15,000, but currently they are on offer, so I got it at 10,000. That's all about $100. So guys, here are some samples of the images taken by this camera. Let me know what you think. Like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends. Until next time, bye bye.